Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate double click using Selenium Java. Okay, so first we will see the pages we are going to automate. These two pages I have taken for practice. So here in the first page, we are having, I will reload the page. So here we are having some text. If I double click on the text, you will be getting hello world. So we can automate double clicking this particular paragraph. After that you will be getting hello world. We can verify this hello world in this page. Okay, similarly when I go to the second page, I will reload this page. Here you are having a button. If I double click on this button, you will be getting hello world in the bottom. Okay, here also I will automate double clicking in this button. Afterwards we can see how to automate verifying this particular hello world. Okay, so these two things we can verify. Before that, here all the elements you are seeing inside this section that is present within iframe. Okay, I can show you that iframe. If I inspect that iframe, it will be highlighted here. Here you see, this is the iframe I am talking about. So in the previous session we have seen iframe. So if you not watch that, you can go and watch. You will be getting more idea on this iframe handling. Okay, here we will be switching to the iframe, then only we will be giving the locators for this particular paragraph, and we will be verifying this hello world. So if you want to have idea on like how to switch to iframe, you can go and watch the iframe video. Okay, so here also we need to do the same thing. Here also we are having a iframe, so we need to switch to the iframe using Selenium. Afterwards we need to double click on this one and verify this hello world. Okay, so yeah, we can go to the Eclipse and we can automate. Here I created a Java class already, so you can also create a Java class here. Afterwards I have added the code for opening the Chrome browser. Within the main method I have added, so you can also do that. Okay, so now I will copy the URL for the first website. I will give this particular website in the description also. Okay, both the URLs I will give in the description for your practice. Within the get method, you can give the URL within the codes. So this will open the URL in the Chrome browser. After that, I will reload this page and we need to find the XPath for this particular highlighted paragraph. Okay, I will right click on this paragraph and we will see how the attributes are. So this is a particular paragraph we need to double click. So here we are having an attribute like on double click equal to my function. So I will copy that, and this is a paragraph. Okay, here we have a tag p, so we can write driver dot find element by dot xpath and double quotes. In double quotes we can give slash p in square bracket. You can give, as this is the x path, we can give at the rate. So here you can give single quotes. Always try giving single quotes in the value, otherwise it will not accept, it will give error. You can give this one, this is better for use. Okay, so always try giving single quotes for the value, and outside you can give double quotes. Okay, so that will be easy for understanding and for using it. Okay, so I have closed this one. So now we can give a name like para for double click. Okay, now we can get an option for adding as a web element. So I have added web element. Okay, so here we are finding the xpath or locator for this particular paragraph. Then only I can double click on this particular paragraph. Okay, so first we will try this particular website, then we can go to the second website. Okay, so here I have found the paragraph locator. Now we can double click on this one. In order to double click using actions class, we can double click on the paragraph. Okay, so here I will mention actions and I will pass driver inside it. Okay, when I mouse over, you'll be getting option for import, so that is added in the top. So here I missed to add new while creating the object. Okay, so this is done. So you can give act dot double click. Okay, so here I already have the web element, so I go with the second option. So here I take this particular web element and I'm asking to double click on that particular web element, and you need to, whenever you are using actions, you need to give perform for sure, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so without perform, whatever the command you are passing here, nothing will be working here. When you are having more than one command, you need to give build. Here we are having only one, so I am giving like perform, only perform I am giving here. Okay, after this we can give driver dot quit. That's all we have done with the first website. Before that I will give some wait time, thread dot sleep for 5 seconds, then only we can observe it. So now I am saving. When I am running this, we will see how it is working for us. So the page is loaded. We will see it is double clicking or not. I think there is something we are missing. It is trying to find this particular web element. Wait for the error. Okay, there is some error that is going to come. So it is not able to identify this particular paragraph. I got it. The problem, I think we not switched to the frame. We will get the error. We will see the error, then we can write the code for that. I got to know. Yeah, that's a problem. So it will wait till that particular web element is found. As it is not able to get into the iframe, so it is saying, it will say like no such element exception. Here you see. It is waiting for that particular page to get loaded. I don't know why it is taking too much of time. Okay, so what we can do, we can, I don't know why this error is not coming up. Okay, we can stop this one. If you want to stop here, you can click this particular terminate button. It's keep loading. It's waiting for this page to get loaded. Okay, what we can do, we can stop it. So I know the problem. I thought of showing you that error, but it is not loading up. So before this particular action, you need to switch to that driver dot switch to dot frame. Okay, so you need to pass the index or id or frame name, id or frame name. Okay, here we will go and see what we have. So I think they will be giving, here you see they given id and name. Some cases it will be only id, so here they given both the things. We can give this one or this one, so we can pass in double quotes, it will work for us. Okay, so now you see it will immediately go and click on that particular paragraph. Here you see we are able to print that hello world. Okay, so we can verify that by double clicking on this one. I will find the XPath for this one, then only we will get to know whether this particular text is printed or not. Okay, so here we have id equal to demo, that's the XPath for this one. I will copy this code and I will pass after this one. Okay, so I will mention like demo text. Okay, so here I can mention id, no need for this much long locator. What we can write demo, this is fine for us. Okay, so now we can, I will type this out, then it will print. Here we can find demo text is present. Okay, so here I will add demo text dot is displayed. Okay, so here if you give is displayed, it will give us true or false. Okay, so whether demo, if it is printing like true, then that particular text is present. If it is not printing as true, then that means that the text is not available. Okay, so we can use assertion also, but here we will discuss in some other different session. But here we can validate through this one. Okay, so I am running as Java application. After saving it, here you see it is going to double click now. I don't know, here also we are, it is taking some more time. Mm, given anything wrong, here frame is correct. Let us rerun. Not sure why it is loading and taking some time. So again we will go and validate whether this ID is correct. Frame result. Okay, this is correct only. There is no problem in my network, I believe. Here you see it is printing true. Okay, so we can rerun it. I will show you. Here you see double click is done, and we are able to see the hello world. Here it is printing like true. That means that this particular text is present and it double clicked on that one. Okay, without double clicking it will not actually perform that. uh, is displayed is true, it will not print. Okay, now what we can do is, this is for website 1. Whatever we done is for website 1. Similar to this, we will copy the whole code again, more or less same, only the XPath will differ. So this is for website 2. The only thing is, the XPath will be getting changed and the URL will get changed. Okay, so what we can do, we can copy the URL for the second website and paste it here, and we can comment the above code we have already done, right? So we can comment this one. So here we will see, I will reload this page, and here we will find, here also we are having iframe. So here also it is similar, so no need to change anything here. So only XPath we need is this particular button, XPath. So here we are having button on double click my function. Okay, so only change is button, I think so. Yeah, so we can change this P to button. Other than that, everything is same, and we are going to double click on this particular button. So that code is already written. So here we can change the name, button for double click. Okay, I will copy and paste it here, and after that, when you are double clicking, so we will see what text is printing, so and what is the locator for that. So here it is hello world, and XPath is id is equal to demo, so the same only. So we can run it. Okay, so we have written code for opening that particular second website. I will give this in the description. The second line is for switching to that iframe. Afterwards we have written the code for double click. So here we have find the locator, and after identifying that web element we are clicking, double clicking on that, and after that we are verifying whether the hello world is printed. Okay, we will run it. I have commented the first website code, only the automation that is required for website 2 is available now. Okay, I am running with this. So now I have run it. So here it is double click and you are getting hello world. Okay, I will rerun. So and it is printing true. So that means that our code is working well. There is no problem. So the second time also it is working good. So yeah, these two website we have seen today. So first is double clicking the paragraph. We have done that and we got this hello world, and we verified this through is displayed. Okay, and here also we done the same thing. So we double click on this particular button and we got the hello world, and we verified this through is displayed. Okay, you can practice both the website, and if there is some doubt or something you can post in the comment. Okay, thank you for watching, and we will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for supporting, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, thank you.